Hello there, my name is Katerina Mamula and I'm a person with disabilities. My purpose here is to break down stereotypes about people with disabilities and to encourage them towards success, self-love, and self-worth. I have been bullied, unfortunately, a lot in my life, both physically and mentally, and it hasn't been a fun road to be on. In fact, it has been very challenging to rebuild my identity back. After all, our brains are what makes us persons and not our body shells or pretty looks. The reason why I started this company, Naturals by Nature's Beauty, is because my parents are getting old and they have been providing and supporting me financially, and now it's my time to give them back and secure my future. I am a brain tumor survivor, and my lesion was removed on December 27, 1999, and I have been living now with my disabilities for over 22 years. I am paralyzed on my left side of the face, as you can see, which kind of makes me unemployable because our society still values beauty standards. I am also disabled on my right side of the body, which means I have a muscle weakness in both my right arm and right leg, and I cannot really do any physical jobs because of my wobbly balance and slow movements. Yes, I can still walk, I can still, somewhat even run, but I'm a little bit slow. Basically, the muscle works like this, and that's what's been impacted. The major reason why I can't work regular job 9 to 5 is because I have a liquid in my brain, and where the tumor was, when it was removed, the hole is left and now it's filled with liquid, which means sometimes it pushes down, causing me these severe headaches, which means I have to take 10 to 15-minute breaks and the rest, and regular employer would not allow me to do so and wouldn't tolerate me resting down until my headaches subside. However, I can still make these beautiful candles and sweet smelling, and hopefully guys you enjoy and like them, and thank you for encouraging other people with disabilities and being welcomed into our society. So thank you, and I'll see you.